Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brittle candy. First, gather your ingredients. Sugar, water, and corn syrup are key. You'll also need a reliable candy thermometer to ensure accuracy. Before you start cooking, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or a silicone mat. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup much easier. Having everything ready beforehand streamlines the process for a smooth candy-making experience. Now let's cook the sugar mixture. Combine your sugar, water, and corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this over medium-high heat, stirring constantly until the sugar dissolves. Continue cooking without stirring until the mixture reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. This precise temperature is crucial for the brittle's texture. Once it hits 300 degrees, quickly stir in the butter and a pinch of salt. Once the mixture reaches temperature and you've added butter, remove it from the heat. This is the critical moment to quickly stir in your baking soda and any desired flavorings like vanilla extract or nuts. The baking soda creates tiny air bubbles, giving brittle its characteristic texture. Immediately pour the hot candy onto your prepared baking sheet. Work quickly to spread it thinly and evenly using an offset spatula or the back of a spoon. Let it cool completely. After your brittle has cooled completely, which usually takes about 30 minutes, it will be hard and ready to break. Simply use your hands or a small hammer to break it into irregular, bite-sized pieces. Store your finished brittle in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain its crispness for up to 2 weeks. For more great kitchen tips and deals, check the description below for links, including one for some amazing socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.